Smell that? It's nostalgia. These weren't just markers. They were experiences. Each color had a smell, from grape to cinnamon, and let's be honest, we all had a favorite. Some kids would sit and sniff them like tiny aroma addicts. If you had the full 12-pack, you were basically royalty in the art corner. 3 metal lunchboxes with matching thermos. Your favorite cartoon on your lunchbox. Before soft-sided bags took over, we carried rugged metal lunchboxes featuring Scooby-Doo, Star Wars, the A-Team, or Strawberry Shortcake. Inside was a glass-lined thermos that somehow survived multiple drops. The clank of that metal box on your desk was the sound of lunchtime freedom. 4 big pink erasers for big mistakes. 1 giant block of hope. Forget the wimpy eraser at the end of your pencil. This was the MVP. The pink pearl eraser could handle anything, including your failed attempts at long division. Even if it left a smudge behind, at least it made you feel like you were fixing things. 5 clear plastic pencil boxes. Everything in its place. These colorful snap-shut boxes held all your treasures, pencils, stickers, paper clips, and that random eraser shaped like a hamburger. They rattled when you walked, and opening one up felt like cracking open a mini tool chest. 6 Lisa Frank folders. Late 80s. So much neon, so many rainbows. By the late 80s, Lisa Frank was everywhere. Her folders, stickers, and notebooks were bursting with color. Unicorns, dolphins, kittens, and sunglasses. It was like someone bottled a sugar rush and put it on paper. And kids loved it. 7 multicolor click pens. Blue, red, green, all in one. With a simple click, you could switch between 4 different ink colors. These pens were both practical and mesmerizing. Bonus points if you ever tried to press all the colors down at once. It never worked, but we all tried. 8 cartoon rulers. Not just for measuring. Whether it had Garfield snoozing across it or He-Man flexing his muscles, a cartoon ruler made math class bearable. Some even doubled as slap bracelets, or were used in playground sword fights. You had to be there. 9 pencil toppers and fuzzy pom-poms, because pencils needed flair. Your pencil wasn't just for writing, it was a fashion statement. From googly-eyed monsters to scented fruit heads, pencil toppers were tiny bits of joy. And let's not forget those fuzzy pom-pom guys with sticky feet that clung to your desk. 10 scratch and sniff stickers. The ultimate reward. Teachers handed them out like gold stars. You'd scratch them, sniff them, and proudly display them on your folder.